Taste comfort food classics at home, a heartwarming journey. There's something about comfort food that feels like a warm hug on a chilly day, a nostalgic whisper that takes you back to simpler times. It's not just food, it's a feeling, a memory, a slice of home that fills your soul as much as it fills your belly. Imagine recreating those delicious classics right in the comfort of your own kitchen, bringing family and friends together for moments that linger long after the last bite. Comfort food has a universal charm. Whether it's a creamy bowl of macaroni and cheese, a piping hot pot pie with its golden crust, or a hearty beef stew bubbling away on the stovetop, these dishes have a way of wrapping you in their embrace. Each bite tells a story, of family recipes passed down through generations, of meals shared around a lively table, and of that one dish that cures every bad day. Let's talk about the joy of recreating these classics at home. Imagine the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting through your kitchen or the satisfying sizzle of fried chicken in the pan. These are the scents and sounds that transform a house into a home. Cooking comfort food isn't just about feeding the stomach. It's about feeding the spirit. The process itself is comforting, a meditative act of chopping, stirring, and tasting that soothes the mind. Think about making a classic chicken and dumplings dish. You start by simmering chicken with fragrant herbs and hearty vegetables, letting the flavors meld into a rich broth. Then, there's the magic of creating those soft, pillowy dumplings that float like little clouds on top of the stew. It's a dish that demands patience, but the reward is a bowl of pure comfort that warms you from the inside out. And what's a comfort food experience without dessert? From the first whiff of an apple pie baking in the oven to the indulgent satisfaction of a warm chocolate lava cake, these sweet treats are the perfect ending to a comforting meal. They're not just desserts. They're moments of joy, reminders to savor the simple pleasures in life. But the beauty of comfort food is its versatility. You don't need to stick to tradition. Add your own twist, perhaps a spicy kick to your shepherd's pie or a healthier take on your favorite lasagna. The kitchen is your canvas, and comfort food is your medium to create something uniquely yours. As you sit down to enjoy your homemade feast, something magical happens. The world outside fades away, and you're left with the warmth of good food, good company, and a heart full of gratitude. This is the essence of comfort food. It's not just about taste. It's about the emotions it stirs, the memories it creates, and the bonds it strengthens. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and embark on this heartwarming journey. Taste the classics, relive the memories, and create new ones. Because sometimes the best place to taste comfort is right at home.